Enso Bot Review. Let's get started. So, Enso is an AI powered marketing platform designed to automate and simplify digital marketing for small and medium sized businesses. With over 1,000 autonomous AI bots trained across 70 plus industries, Enso aims to provide enterprise grade marketing capabilities at a fraction of the cost of traditional agencies. So, what does it offer? So, first, it offers a social media management, SEO optimization, lead generation, event monitoring, and system analysis. So let's talk about its pros first. So first, it has comprehensive automation, which your bots cover a wide range of marketing tasks. They also have industry-specific bots, which over 70 plus industries trained over. And it is also cost-effective with a 24/7 operation. And lastly, they have positive user feedback. But they have a cons as well. So for the cons or the downside, they have limited user reviews. So as of now, there are only few users reviews available. They also have potential over reliance on automation. So it's really on the AI side. And lastly, they have a learning curve. So it's despite its user-friendly design, it's still not easy to learn. So in conclusion, Enzo presents a compelling solution for SMBs seeking to automate and enhance their marketing efforts. However, businesses should consider the specific needs and the importance of personalized strategies that may require human insight.